This How to 1 Minute will show you how to install WordPress themes from zip files. So if you downloaded a WordPress theme in zip format and now you are wondering to install and activate the theme, follow these simple steps. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu. Hover over on Appearance and click on Themes. Now click on Add New and click on Upload Theme. Click on Choose File and now select your WordPress theme. Make sure it is a zip file. Click on Open and click on Install Now. Once the theme uploaded, now click on Activate to active the theme. And as you can see, the theme has been successfully uploaded and activated. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.